Hey, what's up, Tex? One of the first things we did this morning was edited the host file. And as you recall, the host file is what we don't have DNS, we don't have a domain, so we don't have a DNS server, so we need something to resolve the IP addresses of the devices on our network to their host names. So we're going to use the host file. In order to do that, we need to open up Notepad in administrator mode. So we're going to type in Notepad down here. And I'm just going to right click on this and run as administrator. And so we're just going to say yes, that we want to open that up. Now this is working on our LMC workstation, so we're opening Notepad, and we're going to go to File. No, I don't want to save. File, Open. We're going to go to the C drive, go to Windows, System 32, Drivers, etc. And we want to change this file type to all files. And so we see here we've got the host file. So we're going to select that hosts file. And we've gone here before. I was telling you about how we can change the location of which websites open up based on this host file. We're not going to do that right now. What we are going to do is first we're going to open command prompt just to show the result. So we went through this morning when we were checking the network and renaming things. We renamed some of the hosts, and we put the IP address of some of the hosts. We used Angry IP Scanner to scan the network. So we're going to ping LMC router. And as you can see, we could not find a host named LMC router. The LMC router lives at 192.168.35.2. So we can ping that. So we're going to go back into this host file, and we're just going to type 192.168.35.2, which is the router's address. I just hit tab twice, and then I type in LMC-router. And I'm going to save this. And now, and don't forget, when you're in the command prompt, you can use your up arrow. So I'm going to do my up arrow twice till I get to the command that I wanted. And now I can ping LMC router, whereas before, as you see up here, it couldn't find the device. We named that host in here LMC router, and we associate it with the correct IP address of 192.168.35.2. So that's how you edit the host file. You're going to want to do that for all of the workstations because they should have a static IP, and do that for the printers and for the switches on the network. If you need any assistance with that or need to know what those IP addresses are, if you weren't in on the class today, let me know and I'll get that to you. Thanks.